Hey there, this video right here is just part of the complete comparison. So should you ever feel like watching the whole thing, it's waiting for you in the top right hand corner. Just wanted to let you know. Let's talk image stabilization. What you're looking at right now, that's the 10-18 at its 10mm wide end using nothing but optical stabilization. If we look at the specs, the 10-18 can correct for about 4 stops, the 11-22 can correct for about 3 stops. So on paper, the 10-18 has the 11-22 beat. Then again, that's just a stills related spec, and it only refers to a situation where all you're trying to do is get the maximally steady shot, which entails you not moving at all. However, under real-world conditions, when vlogging and walking, you're not going to notice much of a difference, if any, between the two lenses as far as image stabilization is concerned. So let's wrap up this video with a couple of comparison shots between the two lenses using optical stabilization, digital stabilization levels 1 and 2. 10-18, 10mm wide end, optical stabilization only. Just walking up some stairs. (10-18, 10mm wide end, optical stabilization plus digital stabilization level 1. Again, walking up the stairs. Bear in mind that whenever you use digital stabilization, the camera is going to crop into the image, meaning you lose some resolution and you lose some viewing angle. Sometimes the trade-off for a more stable shot is worth that, sometimes it's not. So always keep that in mind. 10-18, 10mm wide end. This time optical stabilization plus second level digital image stabilization, which is referred to in the menus as enhanced. Once again, crop meaning less resolution, less viewing angle, but a more stable shot. Same trade-off as before. You have to decide for yourself, depending on the situation, whether the trade-off is worth it or not. 11-22, 11mm wide end, optical stabilization only. You already know what the deal is. I'm just gonna shut up and walk up those stairs. 11-22, 11mm wide end, optical stabilization plus digital level 1. (11-22, 11mm wide end, as always. I know it gets old. Optical stabilization plus digital level 2, enhanced. Heavy crop, heavy trade-off for a more stable shot, but sometimes it might just be worth it. So, if you liked the video, if you found it helpful, please make sure to leave a thumbs up, it's greatly appreciated. Any kind of comment or feedback is welcome, and I'll try to answer as quickly as possible. All the tech that I've used in this video is linked in the description. As always, thank you so much for your time, thank you for watching, and hopefully see you again soon.